Hey guys, Eric again. Just recently got in the package from SMG Speed, or Skid Mark Garage. So I'm going to open this up and show you guys what I got, and then go do the install video. Decal, pretty cool. Another one. So, got their flex fuel kit. All the decals, what's going on? Seems pretty simple, self-explanatory. Just zip ties attached to it. Plug and play, don't have to worry about a ground wire, just route this wire all the way up to the front. Difficult, and that should all go really close up front for your field stuff. Okay. So there's that. I'll go install that here. And then I got a defrost gauge, or a pod, for my gauge that I do have sitting in the back of the car, just waiting on this to install. This will be in a separate video. All the stickers. Got 3 of these guys. And there's the pod. Looks really good. So, alright, I'm gonna go install the flex fuel gauge right now. Hey guys, back out at the car. So pretty much just going to start right away, and fuel line we're working with, and flex fuel kit. The adapter for here, there's a little clip got to remove. Also got the quick disconnect. It's a 3/8, yeah, 3/8, so you can see it. So I'm just going to jump right on into it, and I'm going to end up removing this panel just so it's out of the way. The wrench, open-end wrench for the fuel line for what we're connecting, it's a 5/8. That's what I'll be using. I'm not exactly sure how I want to route these wires just yet, but I'll just get started and start removing stuff from here. Set the clip there. Let's get this undone. So I have a little bit more play. Get the rag up and under here, just so in case it starts leaking some gas. Car's been off for over 30 minutes now, just so the pressure is depleted. Put that on there. Let's see if we can get it off without too much of a hassle. A little bit more than I thought that was going to take, but gas line seems pretty good, so I'll just jump right on into this part. Don't have to crank this down too hard, so I'm just going to do finger tight for now. It's on there. Let's do a little play, but that's fine. I'm just going to take this red cap off and connect that. Everything left really right now is to do up the connections and the wires. These guys can go wherever you want them to. It's all snug. little gas is coming out, but not too much. That should be good there. And reconnect right here. Just right here for the moment. Make sure these wires are out of the way. And I'm gonna go start the car. See if there's any leaks. Leaks, and I'm just gonna get to the wiring now. Turn off the car since it doesn't need to be on, or I'll probably burn myself. There we go. On to the fun part. So, as you all know, this connection goes to the PCM, and it goes on the pin 38. And then the other connection over here, this will go to technically the closest fuel connection. So I guess I'm just gonna do it to the one that's directly in the back. Not sure how much you can see, but there's the connection back here. All the way out. Okay, there we go. So it's now out. I'm just plug this guy in. Go right underneath. I'll plug and play. Don't have to worry about anything. Snap right in, like that. Grab this guy. I'm gonna route it through the fuel rail, or the power goes through anyway. Next thing's gonna be removing PCM. PCM's down here. Gonna need this guy to pop it out, and then these are like lever type. To it. So they just pop up like this. I'm not sure what you can see of what I'm doing, but so pull that guy out. I'm just sneak it through. Kind of a pain in the butt, but whatever. There's the back cap. back cap. Just the back side. So the big pin over here is pin 1, and then far over here is pin 53. So on mine, pin 38 is the only one that's open, so I don't really have to count. It's pretty simple. Only thing I gotta worry about is removing this blue piece, which should just pop off pretty simple. So there we have it, that guy's off. So once again, pin 38, that only one right there. So there's only really one way this guy can go in, so can't really mess that up. I'll route this down below. I'm just gonna right here, so I can just route this all together. So ran into a little difficulty with this. There was a weird pin in there that wasn't this gray pin, like it was capped off, so you actually had to break it. But I'm gonna get back to it and actually install this pin really quick. Pretty simple though. The fatter piece faces out towards technically the engine, and it'll just slide right in there. You should hear a click, but it's not clicking for me. Finally getting it in there. Jesus. She's fully connected. So, I'm gonna tidy this back up. Put this blue cap back on. And then put the back shell on. Reverse it that way. I'll just shove this back down in here. Tap back up. Finally, it was a lot longer than I expected. Everything's routed back down in here, all connected. Wires there, and I'm just gonna figure out where to connect this, which I think I'm gonna loop through here so it has a pinch point, and then it's gonna follow all this, and I'll add zip ties later to it. And then there's that. Not sure how the cover's going back on with it sticking up like that, so and I can put this guy back on too. Just so it's there, but it probably won't fit. Nope, not going back on. So, alright, I'm gonna end it there, and then I'll end up tuning it for this, and we'll be on our way. So, alright, thanks guys, bye.